Hey YouTube, I'm Miss Tifa. Already done on Instagram. Sorry YouTube. Um, I constructed this unit again. So if you want to see that, you can just look on my Instagram at Here by Tifa. And so now what I'm attempting to do, I was in the process of tweezing it. So I'm just going to tweeze a little more. I'm going for the half up, half down look. So I'm going to tweeze it all the way across. Normally, I wouldn't tweeze it all the way across. I wouldn't tweeze the middle. But again, this is not a unit that I'm going to wear every single day. So that's why. And I wanted to be really natural. I don't want to have to... I don't want to have to do baby hairs. So that's why I'm going to do it all the way across. And then I'm going to attempt to try to install it on camera with you guys. So just bear with me. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do the ball cap method. I know it's a million videos up here on this. However, I'm using a knee high and it's lighter than my shade, but I just affix that with makeup. Just cutting around the ear. Now I have my cap on. I'm about to mold it using the Got To Be gel. I'm also gonna put this free spray on it. I love the consistency. And then I'm gonna sit under the dryer and then I'm just gonna cut it off. Then I'll proceed on to the next step. But this right here, see, I have to be careful because my hairline be playing in peaks and valleys. It's like it's up here, then it's back there. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna sit under the dryer, maybe for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll be back for the next step. All right guys, so what I started doing, I started putting makeup on my bald cap. I'm using the Ruby Kisses. This is shade 16. I'm using 16 because it's darker than my shade. However, I used a lighter cap this time, so I wanted to blend the right way. So I'm gonna use this first, which is the darkest shade, and then I'm gonna use the shade that I normally use, which is 12. Yeah. And this is available at your local beauty supply store. See, normally it wouldn't be this dark, but I make it work. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to proceed to tint the lace. I made this lace tint. I did the video on Instagram. Again, this is my first YouTube video. So if you're interested, just look at my video on Instagram at Here by Tifa. Just gonna give it some sprays. To it. All right guys, so now I'm going to proceed to try to cut off my ear tabs. This part always gives me a hard time. It's a little difficult. It feels awkward rather, me doing it on myself. I just tinted the lace a little. This lace is not bleached, has not been bleached. Mhm. Tab. So now I'm about to apply the bowl hold. I don't know why I cannot see the bowl hold. Still can't see. Wow. And this is a step that you want to take your time with. Hmm. Oh shit. I did not mean to do that. Ooh. All right, guys. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to just melt. Just gonna melt it a little before I style it and melt it again. Now, once I do the final meltdown, it's gonna look much better than this. However, I do like this at this point. So guys, in this very moment is where the fail happens. Basically, I'm putting mousse on my hairline. However, I completely forgot that I just had put glue on it. How did I forget? I'm not sure, but that's what happened. However, my glue was not dry completely. So right here is where I realized that it's really starting to come up. I was trying to finesse it, but I was like, OMG, what am I gonna do? I'm trying to fix it by tying it down with this satin scarf. Now I'm realizing like, yo, it's really coming up. This was just unreal. I'm just happy that I didn't give up because Lord knows in the past I just would have been like, forget it. But basically, I just wanted to let you guys know this is where the fail took place because basically my glue was not dry and I put mousse on it before it was dried. So yeah, you live and you learn. And I already knew that. So, but yeah, that's where the fail took place. But the outcome was, it was okay. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. And sorry for all the noise. Today is Halloween, so the kids, and I'm at work. So this is the finished look. Again, I didn't bleach the frontal. I'm sure if I had, I know the outcome would be better, but I like it. Nice and full. Okay, guys, so once again, I'm Miss Tifa. Let me know what you think of the video. Subscribe, like, comment below. And but more importantly, let me know what videos you guys want me to shoot for YouTube. I'm new to this. So yeah.